Like and subscribe to support the channel. Donations welcome.
The journey to asylum isn't merely a legal process. It's a deeply personal odyssey, a testament to resilience in the face of unimaginable hardship. Having established the foundational legal principles, we now delve into the practical aspects of preparing and filing your asylum application. This is where meticulous organization and a keen eye for detail become indispensable allies. Think of this stage as building a meticulously crafted case, a narrative woven from evidence, testimony, and legal precision designed to persuade an immigration judge of the genuine and well-founded nature of your fear. The first step is acquiring the necessary forms. The primary form is the I-589, Application for Asylum and for Withholding of Removal. This form is comprehensive, demanding detailed information about your personal history, the reasons for seeking asylum, and the evidence supporting your claim. Don't approach this form lightly. It's the cornerstone of your application, the narrative that will ultimately determine your fate. Take your time, gather all the necessary information, and ensure accuracy in every detail. Errors or omissions can significantly weaken your application, potentially leading to delays or even rejection. Consider seeking assistance from a legal professional or an experienced immigration aid organization to help navigate the complexities of this form. They can help you present your information clearly and concisely, ensuring that your story resonates with the immigration authorities. Beyond the I-589, you might need additional forms depending on your specific circumstances. For instance, if you have dependents, you'll need to file separate forms for each family member seeking asylum alongside you. This might involve additional I-589 forms and potentially other forms related to their individual situations. If you have a pending immigration case or have previously filed for immigration benefits, you'll need to disclose that information and include relevant documentation. The importance of transparency cannot be overstated. Concealing relevant information can seriously jeopardize your application. The documentation you gather will form the backbone of your asylum claim. This isn't simply a matter of accumulating papers. It's about constructing a compelling narrative, providing tangible evidence to support every assertion you make in your application. Imagine constructing a brick wall. Each piece of documentation is a brick, contributing to the overall strength and integrity of your case. The type of evidence you'll need depends significantly on your individual circumstances and the nature of your claim. However, certain types of evidence are commonly used to support asylum applications. For example, country conditions reports from the U.S. Department of State, reports from reputable human rights organizations like Amnesty International or Human Rights Watch, and news articles and academic research detailing human rights abuses and persecution in your home country provide valuable context. They paint a picture of the broader situation, demonstrating that your fear is not unfounded, but reflects a larger reality of persecution in your country of origin. Personal documentation plays a vital role. This could include passports, visas, birth certificates, marriage certificates, and any other official documents that establish your identity and your connection to your home country. Medical records documenting injuries sustained due to persecution, police reports filed in your home country, or court documents related to any legal proceedings you may have faced can add crucial weight to your claim. These provide concrete evidence of the harm you have suffered or are at risk of suffering. Crucially, personal testimonies are essential. These are not mere statements. They are narratives that bring your experiences to life. Detailing specific instances of persecution, the threats you faced, and the reasons you fear returning to your home country are crucial. The more vivid and specific your testimony, the more compelling it will be. Think about specific dates, locations, and the identities of those involved. This level of detail enhances the credibility of your account. If you have witnesses to your persecution, their testimonies can significantly strengthen your claim. Their accounts provide corroborating evidence, lending credence to your personal narrative and painting a more complete picture of the situation you faced. Photographs and videos can serve as powerful visual aids. Images of injuries, damage to property, or scenes of violence can provide compelling visual evidence. However, Ensure these are authentic and properly documented. Remember, the aim is not just to present evidence, but to craft a compelling narrative, a story that resonates with the immigration judge and clearly demonstrates the well-founded nature of your fear. Consider this a process of storytelling through evidence. It's about presenting a narrative that is convincing, believable, and above all, truthful. Preparing your application requires meticulous attention to detail. Consider creating a chronological timeline of events, outlining the sequence of events that led to your decision to flee your home country. This provides a clear and organized account of your experiences, making it easier for the immigration judge to understand the development of your fear and the rationale behind your asylum claim. Maintain complete honesty throughout the process. Even minor inconsistencies can raise doubts about the credibility of your application. The process of preparing your asylum application is demanding and often emotionally challenging. Remember that you are not alone in this journey. Seek assistance from legal professionals or experienced immigration aid organizations that can guide you through every step of the process. They can help you navigate the complexities of immigration law, prepare your application thoroughly, and represent you effectively before the immigration authorities. Filing your application correctly is crucial. Ensure that all required forms are completed accurately and completely. Organize your supporting documentation meticulously. Many immigration offices now require online submissions, so familiarize yourself with the specific requirements and processes. Follow all instructions carefully and double-check everything before submitting your application. Think of this as the final act of a carefully constructed performance. Every detail matters. A poorly organized or incomplete application can derail your case before it even begins. After filing, the waiting period can be agonizing. Be prepared for the possibility of lengthy delays. Maintain regular contact with your legal representative, keeping them updated on any changes in your circumstances or any new information that might be relevant to your case. The entire process requires patience, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in the validity of your claim. Remember, this is more than just a legal process. This is a fight for your future, a battle for safety, and the chance to build a new life free from the fear of persecution. Your application is not just a collection of papers, it's the story of your life, a testament to your resilience and a beacon of hope for a better future. Approach this stage with careful preparation, unwavering honesty, and the unwavering belief in the justness of your cause. The path to asylum is arduous, but the possibility of a life free from fear makes the struggle worthwhile. The legal framework is a lifeline, and your application is the key that unlocks the door to a new beginning.
Like and subscribe for more content.